At ito, tingnan ninyo itong canyon, oh. Yan ay matagal ng panahon. Yung canyon na yan, oh. Ang laki, oh. Yung mga siguro mga militante pa noon, oh. Ito yung canyon. Hindi ko alam kung ilang taon na itong canyon na yan. Ang laki, oh. Ayan, oh, guys. Yan yung siguro yung gera nila noon. Tingnan nyo yung mga bahay-bahay, oh. Laki itong bahay nito, oh. Yan yung pinaka bahay ng hari dito noon. So tayo na, guys. Yan, pinakita ko lang itong sa Jeddah para makita ninyo itong old houses nila dito at saka mga shop. Ayan, guys. At tingnan nyo itong puno na to, oh. Napakatagal na ng panahon yan. Ang laki-laki na, oh. Ayan, guys. Ayan yung the Royal Institute of Traditional Arts. Ayan. Present to you a traditional building, arts diploma, student work and their handicraft to highlight an important of knowledge and professional skills in the field of traditional heritage arts. Ayan. Ginawa ng mga tao noon. Tara na, guys. Punta tayo dito pa. Napakaganda nitong ano na to, oh, bahay, oh. Laki. At tingnan ninyo yung mga ano, mga pinto. Wow. Mga sinaunang mga pinto pa to, oh. Tingnan ninyo, oh, ang titibay. Yan yung mga sinaunang mga pinto noon. Ito, basahin natin. The Zawiya 97 hub that encapsulate cultural endeavors in the field of arts, entertainment and education, behaving as both an activator and reviver of new initiatives and dwindling crops alike. This tutelar corner becomes the very heart of cultural reemergence. Zawiya 97 takes its name from the angle of 97 of Jeddah to Makkah, at which we connect with the one. Ayan, in this space, ayan, Zawiya 97 focuses on activating a cluster area in the historical area of Al-Balad in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, particularly near the area of the iconic Bait Nasif. Ayan nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyong bahay ni Nasif. Ayan, square. The area has been renovated to function as an intersection point for the public, mimicking its historical usage. The Zawiya 97 stage openly invites artists, performers, and educators alike, providing an authentically public platform to communicate with the public. The neighboring personal library of Abdurrahman Nasif has been reopened to the public pending further structure uplift. Ito, binuksan na ito para panuorin ng mga tao. Adjacent to the library, the Zawiya 97 workshop. Library pala ito, guys. Ayan, o, yung library. Malaki pala ito. Ayan. Around the corner from the hub are the historical lanes of Sugag Al-Yalayat and Sugag Al-Atari, historical, known for their production of hookah, pipes, and herbs and spices, respectively. Around the corner is the Bait of Shargi, the modernly envisioned birthplace of Al-Magor Apkip. It is revival in Jabor's Zawiya 97 firmly stays true to the roots and invites experienced and upcoming practitioners and traders of these honorable crafts alike to authentically revive these spaces into their former glories. Ayan, guys, so nakikita ninyo mga sinaunang mga bahay ito. Ayan, oh, lalaki. Zawiya 97. Ayan, nung unang panahon pa yan, guys.